What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I want to show you an essential upgrade to your smart home. Hey Google, open studio blinds.
Alright, let's get my smart blinds. Okay, opening 4 blinds in office.
This is not the first time that my smart blinds have shown up on the channel. I featured them in my ultimate smart bedroom tour that I did over a year ago, and I got a lot of questions about them, so I partnered with them to show you how I'm using them in my new studio space. And also I want to give you a chance to try it out for yourself, so stick around until the end of the video to find out how. MySmartBlinds has a few ways to step up your smart home. They have an automation kit which can turn your existing 2 to 2.5 inch blinds smart, which is the approach that I went. Or you can buy blinds from them directly that custom fit your window frame. No need to visit a showroom, just put your measurements in and they ship them to you with this hardware built into it. Since I already have blinds installed, I went the automation kit route, so that's what I'm gonna focus on. And I'm gonna leave a link down below for you to check out all of their lineup, and I'll leave a special coupon code there so you can save yourself some money when you pick some up. The automation kit comes with everything you need. It comes with the user manual, the 3000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, the manual switch, and also the motor and an accessory box that you will need later for install. It also comes with the solar panel, so you don't have to worry about charging it. And there are some optional accessories here that I use, like the switch and the hub, which I'll talk about a little bit later. I really thought about including the installation process, but I thought that was unnecessary because MySmartBlinds, they already have great tutorials on their YouTube channel, so check that out if you want to know how to install these, but it's really easy. Basically what you're doing is removing the rod depending on what type of blind you have, taking the old tilt mechanism out, putting the new manual switch in, then you place the battery in, then you place the motor in, you find the right rod adapter, plugging everything up, including the solar panel, and placing it back up. I installed 4 of these in the office, and by the 4th one, I was doing it in about 5 minutes, no joke. Next is just downloading the MySmartBlinds app for iOS or Android. Just pull that hook once and the pairing process is that simple. The app will show you how many blinds are found, so you can do this all at once if you like after you install multiple blinds. It'll ask you to calibrate one time to set it to the desired open and close position, and that is it. And now with one tap with your smartphone, you can open and close your new automated blinds. Of course, you can manually control your blinds at any time with this slider here on the right hand side, and you can group them too to control them all at once. Once you have these installed, you can really forget about the process of just opening and closing your blinds. And I know there's gonna be a lot of you out there saying, well, I can just open my own blinds and I don't have to spend any money. And that is true, you can definitely do that. But even in this office, I have 4 of them, and having them all open and all close at the same time with just one touch of a button or by voice control is really convenient. But that's not it. The app also does some cool things. There are a few features in the app that make a ton of sense, like scheduling. So basically for me, I want my blinds to open in the morning and I want them to be closed before I go to sleep. So I can do that right here in the app and not even think about it throughout the day. Or there's even a more intuitive way that you can use that tracks the sun. So no matter the season change, you can have the blinds gradually tilt as the sun goes up and down. Another cool feature is that motor that is in the automation kit has a temperature sensor inside. So you can use this to save energy. You can set the energy saving position to advance, and then you can set a custom temperature. So if the room is too hot and you aren't in it, it can automatically close that blind. I wish there was a temperature reading on the slider so I can put an exact temperature in there, and hopefully that'll come maybe with a software update in the future, but this is a cool feature that you can use if you want to. I've been using these for about a month now, and I love the fact the solar panels are there. You can see the battery indicator on the app. Mine have stayed full, so if you want, you can use the micro USB port on the pull tab portion to charge it manually, but I doubt that you'll even need this at all. But I guess it really depends on where you live. If you get any kind of sun at all, I don't see you charging this whatsoever. What I really wanted to do for the studio is to be able to control these blinds by voice and to be able to control them no matter where I'm at in the world. So to do that, you're going to need the MySmartBlinds bridge. Just plug it in and set it up through the app. Also very simple, and once you get it connected, you'll have the ability to use Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa for voice control. There's another convenient way to control your smart blinds, and this is the smart switch. Sometimes it's just easier to push a button to have all the blinds open at once. This switch here just sticks onto the wall by 3M, and it just works like a remote. So if you want to fine tune the amount of light, it's easy to do with the buttons. You can pair up to 5 groups of blinds, so this would be great to have downstairs if you wanted to physically control all of the rooms that are in your house. What you do is you program different groups to different colors. So you can see the LED light colors changing up here. Pick that right color and go ahead and control that group. Overall, I love having automated blinds in the studio because the convenience factor is incredible. I couldn't put these in my home because I do have plantation shutters and they wouldn't work, and I would love to have those automated too. But in the studio, I love it because if I want to block out natural light, I can do so with just voice command or just by a remote, and I can sit here and fine tune my lighting, and I don't even have to move from the position that I'm in, which I really, really love. And I don't even have to think about closing the blinds anymore because I have them on a schedule. My experience has been great so far, but there are a few things that I want to see come to my smart blinds in the future. So my experience with iOS is a little bit different than Android. I felt like iOS was a little bit more stable versus the Android build. So hopefully that will all be evened out in software updates. I would also love to see Z-Wave compatibility come because Bluetooth does work well, but Z-Wave would be really, really nice. And also I would love to see SmartThings compatibility come for people that use hubs. And I can't leave out HomeKit compatibility because I know some people use HomeKit as well. So I'd love to see that, but you never know, it could come in a future software update. Instead of just taking my word for it, we're gonna give you a chance to try one of these. So all you have to do is follow MySmartBlinds on Instagram and then leave a comment in the comment section below and put your Instagram handle there, and MySmartBlinds will choose somebody and give you a chance to try one of these. And make sure you follow me on social too, because you never know if there's gonna be more chances to win over there. So let me know what you think about my smart blinds. This is not the last time that you will see them on this channel because there will be a full 2019 Ultimate Smart Home Tour version 2 coming in the brand new space and the new house. So I'm gonna include the office and the house in one tour. So make sure you subscribe for that. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one.